Welcome to Durmapress CNC Press Brake Teaching Showroom. First, we need to open the oil tank on the top of the machine to be refilled. The oil volume needs to reach the half of the oil gauge. Second, connect the three-phase power cord. And also connect the zero line. Turn on the power switch. Turn off the electrical cabinet and turn on the power. Pump on and off to test the motor working direction. Make sure the motor rotates clockwise in the direction of the arrow. Switch to your language after the controller is turned on. Setting the parameters according to the controller manual work. Finally, step on the foot switch and start working. Please pay attention to Durmapress. We will continue to update more videos about the press brake operation.